Thursday. So I am on my way to the post office this morning. It is about 9:35. And when I leave the post office, I might go to this Target over here and Homegoods. I haven't been to this Homegoods in a while. Well, the last time I went in, they just had a bunch of Christmas stuff and I wasn't interested. So now that I'm interested, I'll go in there and take a look. What I do want to tell you guys is, oh, before I tell y'all what I really want to tell y'all, first thing, I've been getting so many questions about this hair. I know it look a hot mess right now because I didn't do it. I just like rolled out of bed. But this hair is from an Amazon vendor. So if you go in my description box, the link is in the description box for my Amazon store and you'll find the hair. The picture that's on the Amazon store, the curly hair, it looks long because of the length that I got, but it is the West Kiss Deep Wave. Go in the description box and click the Amazon link and it'll take you to my Amazon store, and that's where you'll find the link to the hair. But I did want to tell you guys, so Tony's cousin entered him into a beard contest, right? And Tony mentioned it to me the other day, but I didn't really like know too much about it. I didn't know like who the contest was with or anything like that. So then he mentioned it again, like, did you vote for me? So I'm like, vote for you how? Like, I didn't know. He didn't give me too many details when he first told me about it. So it's a beard contest with our local radio station here in Jacksonville, 93.3. And I think he'll win like $100 gift card and like a 2-night stay at the Hard Rock Hotel in Orlando, which we probably won't even use that anytime soon, but I just want him to win. So I'm like, I wish you would have told me, because I would have, you know, got my girls together and we would have voted for you. Like, period. I would have got my little gang together. Y'all know y'all come through. So I'm gonna leave that link in the description box as well. Only thing you have to do is just swipe up. It's free, won't charge you anything. Just swipe up his name on there. Y'all will see his picture, but I think his cousin put his name, hashtag beard gang. Yeah, that's the name that's under his picture. So I wish we would have she could have picked a better picture, like a picture where he just got his hair cut. But I don't think he can change the picture. So I think right now he is in second place. So I need y'all to do that favor for me. I am doing a giveaway once the contest is over. I'm not too sure exactly what I'm going to do just yet. I might just do like a gift card, you know, because it's the holidays and things like that. So just to make it easier on me, I might just do, you know, have the winner drop their Cash App and just do some money or something like that. So yeah. And then what you have to do is you have to screenshot it and send it to me on Instagram and let me know that it's done, and I'll enter you into the giveaway. So it's that simple. All right, y'all, I am literally sweating because I had to bring all this stuff in the house by myself. But let me show you guys what I picked up. I'm gonna first start with what I received in my P.O. box. So we're gonna open this up. Okay, so there's a note in here and it says, Sharika, I have been a fan of your YouTube channel for some time now and wanted to send you something special. We can't get enough of your home style grace and cooking. I hope you enjoy this soy candle and it bring you joy. Wishing you all success this upcoming year. Thank you so much. That's so sweet and she is so cute. This is the card. She is too cute. Okay, girl, let's see. Y'all know I love candles. Ooh. I love your packaging. Look at this, y'all. Yes. Love the packaging. And let's see. Shut up. Good. Girl, shut up. What? This smells amazing. Oh my God. Why you just sent me one, girl? Oh my gosh. Y'all. First of all, let's get into this packaging before anything. It smells so good. Like, oh, I'm about to burn that right now. Okay, so show y'all the first thing that I picked up. I bought this little Versace inspired set, or as Ryan would like to call it, a Versace. That's my brother. He like to work my nerves. But look at this. So cute. And then I was hoping that I could find a gold one, and then I saw that little gift set, and I started to purchase the gift set as the giveaway gift. But then I said, well, I think I might just do cash because it's the holidays, you know, whatever. So I picked this up. It's really cute. And then they had like the little different size plates. So I chose the smaller ones. It kind of looked like a little bowl a little bit, but I'll just say like it'll be good for like pasta. So I bought 2 of these. I'm the only one that drinks coffee and teas and stuff like that in my house, so I just bought one. But I bought 2 of the plates. This super cute. And these were $3.99 each. I wish they were gold, but they're still cute. And I don't know, let me see. Got a little bit of damage on the side, but it's okay. This set was $3.99. Now that other little white tea set that I have that has like the gold trimming is so pretty. You have to pay for the cup and the plate. So this was $3.99 together, so that's good. And then the other thing that I picked up is this mirror right here. It's just a round mirror and you guys can see yourself. So it's just like a round mirror that I picked up. I'm gonna put this somewhere up front. Oh, so I'm gonna set that right there. And then the next thing is this table right here, and it has like the marble top. It's really nice. This mirror, the mirror was $99 and this table was $99, and I bought it for the studio because the little table that I had in here that I actually have y'all standing on right now, I'm kind of over that one. It doesn't have a lot of space, and like when I want to put my cute little decor pieces up there, I'm limited on how much I can put up there, even though I don't like a lot of clutter. But sometimes I want to put, you know, a few different things up there and I don't have the space. So I was thinking that I'll probably just put this out on, because it's a little cement table, I'll put this out on the porch or the patio once I get my patio chairs, my patio furniture. I think it'll look really good on there. And like I said, it's a little damaged. I bought it from Homegoods. It was on sale because it has like a crack in the back, so I can only turn it a certain way, and it's just too much. So I'm kind of over the table, so I'm gonna just put it on the porch, and it'll look really good with the chairs that I showed you guys that I want to get. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do with that, and I'm gonna replace it with this big guy. So y'all will see it on a different video with some stuff on it, but it's gonna look really cute. So I don't know if I'm gonna put it like right on the side just like I had the table, if I'm gonna sit it like in the center of the room. I'm not too sure, but however I do it, it'll turn out really cute. Y'all know your girl don't play, period. I gotta show y'all this shirt that I ordered. Period. Y'all see this gangster rapper? I ordered this from Amazon, so if y'all want to get it, I'll have the link in the description box. So here's lunch. So I'm just doing some ramen, and I added some shrimp, green onions on top, and I added a little bit of this samyang sauce. This stuff is so good. It is spicy, but it's not as spicy as the 2-time spicy. But yeah, this will be my lunch. So I'm gonna go ahead and enjoy this and then edit my video. So yeah, this is lunch. Y'all, how cute is my little water bottle? I just have like some lemons and limes in here. So I just made like a little detox water, but it's like a little milk carton. How cute is this? I ordered this from Amazon, of course. Y'all know Amazon has everything. So I'll have the link in the description box if you guys want to get you one. So cute. Okay, so I just put the mirror up. Let me walk over here. And I like the way it looks, so I'm planning on getting a little stand down here because I want to do something like a little bar area right here. So I saw a really cute one in Homegoods, but I'm gonna shop around a little bit more. I was waiting to really look for it. I wanted to find the perfect mirror for up here, and I really like the way that this one looks. Hopefully it does not fall because it's on one nail, and the mirror is pretty heavy, so when Tony gets home, I'll have him, you know, do what he needs to do to make sure that it's secure. All right, so I'm cooking dinner. I'm doing a chicken pasta. So Tony wanted some chicken pasta, so I have my panini noodles. I saw this Alfredo sauce. I've never tried it before, so I'm gonna try this. My cheese, and I'm gonna add broccoli to it. So it should be pretty good. Of course, I'm not eating any. So that's why it's just a little bit of chicken. Just enough for little Tony and his daddy. And this is what I'll be having. I'm gonna do some salmon. And I might make some pesto noodles, maybe. Something like that for myself. But yeah. This is dinner, so I'll show you guys what it looks like when I'm done.